Hello again. We're going to talk about Zite, one of my favorite apps of all time. When you do go to the store, you'll see an icon that looks like this. You can see it's rated pretty high, and their description is pretty right on, so I'll just read that. It says, Zite is an intelligent magazine that helps you discover interesting things to read. I like that description because what Zite is, it's a magazine that you get to pick basically what you want to read about. And as you continue to read, it'll continue to change and pull other articles that are meaningful to you. Let me show you. So let's take a look at my Zite. When I tap on Zite and get it started, right away I can flip through this magazine and it's pulling articles from the web that have to do with the areas that I'm interested in. So what are the areas that I chose? Well, let's look. I'm going to go to the top right, way up there in the top, and I'll tap on those three lines there. And you can see here, right now I'm on something called Your Top Stories. But then I also have all these other categories, gadgets, technology, education, iPad, and so on. Now I can tap on any one of those and it'll focus in more on that. So if I were to go down to iPad, since I chose that for my Zite, now it's going out to the web and it's finding the latest articles about the iPad. Now these change all the time. So now I can search through these, and if there's something that I wanted to read, then I would just tap on that. So let's see if we can find something here. There's a recording videos to share via YouTube. It's on the left-hand side there. So if I wanted to read that article, I would just tap it. And then up comes the full article. Now as I read through this article, there's a couple things I can do with it. On the lower right-hand side, notice that symbol, that arrow. Now when I tap on that, I can email it or tweet something about it, about this article, or by clicking on more, there's all kinds of other things I can do. I can tie this to my Evernote if I wanted to save it, to Google Plus, and so on. There are many things that I can do, including opening this link in Safari. The reason why I wanted to show you these sharing features is because this is also what makes this great. So if I thought someone really needed to see this article on recording and posting to YouTube via the iPad, I might email this to them. Or if I know that they follow me on Twitter, I would tweet it, or even Facebook, and so on. So the sharing feature is key to anything I think that we do anymore. So I will click cancel at this time to get out of this. And then when I'm done reading this, I can just click the X in the upper left-hand corner. And then back to my iPad section. Now this doesn't go on forever, but you can see at the bottom there are several pages. See all the dots at the bottom? That's how many pages I have to flip through. And these are all iPad related. And it changes. You know, each day you're going to get something different.